DOGE USDT Overview. Trading Style: Spot. Time frame: Mid-term. Margin Mode: Isolated. Signal Type: Swing Trade. Target Time Frame: Approximately 1 month between take profits. Entry Levels: 0.18147 to 0.22000. Take Profit Targets: Target 1, 0.25063. Target 2, 0.29172. Target 3, 0.33923. Target 4, 0.38353. Target 5, 0.42976. Stop Level: 0.10997. The secret to success in trading financial markets: look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.